Today, I'm going to show you how to create a discount line item in QuickBooks Online. First, sign into QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. From the left side menu, click Sales, then select Products and Services. This is where you create and manage the items you use on invoices and sales forms. At the top right, click New. QuickBooks will ask you to choose the item type. Select Service. Now, give the item a clear name, such as Discount or Customer Discount. Next, choose the income account you want to use for tracking discounts. You can use an account like Discounts Given, Sales Discounts, or create a new account if needed. Leave the sales price or rate blank. This lets you enter the discount amount manually each time you use the item. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. Now, the discount item is ready to use. To apply it, create an invoice or sales receipt like normal. Add the regular products or services first. Then add a new line item. Choose the discount item you just created. Enter the discount amount as a negative number. For example, if you want to give a $50 discount, enter -50. QuickBooks will subtract that amount from the total. After adding the discount line, review the invoice or sales receipt to make sure the total is correct. Then click Save and Send or Save and Close. And that's how to create a discount line item in QuickBooks Online in 2026.